Jake here from Car Kingdom Southend with the Mark 1 Clipper Golf 1.8 8 valve. Very cool little car and very well restored, this one. The guy had it during lockdown, did a full restoration. It was a write-off in the past, but it is in fantastic condition, so we'll take you around it. So the wheels are completely custom with Proxy TR1s on there. They are brand new, those tyres, loads of tread, and the wheels look really cool. Got really flush front bumper with these single headlights at the front. Bit of a show car, this. The bonnet is that original there, which looks really cool, and the windscreen is in good condition also, with a tiny little stone chip just there on the passenger side. Looking around the driver's side of this car, very cool. Once again, the paintwork is absolutely incredible. Like I said, it's been freshly restored and just been sat in a garage, so very pristine. Toyo Proxy there again, brand new tyre, loads of tread. And as we come down the driver's side, it's actually a pearlescent white, which you probably can't see on the camera there, but it is very clean indeed. And the rear wheel, once again, Toyo Proxy, brand new tyre there with the stretch tyre look. Now we do have a louder exhaust, twin pipe exhaust at the moment, fitted on there, but we also do have the original, so you can have either if you want to make a lot of noise or not. Back tailgate, really clean. They've even gone to town and relocated the boot latch there, which looks really cool, and a really clean rear bumper. So aesthetics wise, it's very minimalistic. And coming round the passenger side, got these lovely wide arches, the banded wheel at the bottom there, Proxy TR1 again, brand new. As we just come down the passenger side here, looks really cool. So obviously it's had the pinstripe delete, where usually you get the rubber going through that. That's been deleted. So overall, exterior wise, an absolute head turner. It's old school, it's retro. The interior of these things are so analog, and it's had a few little modern comforts put in there also, like the touchscreen display here with Bluetooth audio, and also some upgraded Pioneer speakers down the bottom. All the door cards have been retrimmed all the way through. A tiny little nick there just underneath the door handle. All the seats have been reupholstered, really nice piping going all the way through there. Half leather design in the middle, and as we look in the back, 2 rear seats there. Steering wheel completely original, and it's even got that lovely original Karman gear knob down there. All the controls work, and the air conditioning, the air controls on there as well, along with the speedo and dials, which are all original, if you like functionality. So overall, yeah, really retro look with that little modern touch. And we'll put the roof up and show you that as well. So the roof's all up, procedure as normal, and you've got the little hooks there. So on the outside, that's finished in a leather styling, which looks really classy. Very cool indeed.